Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Solo Stove Mesa heat deflector. Right here, I've unboxed everything to show you everything that you get, and there is a very little bit of assembly to do, but it's super easy, no tools required. Here's the bottom of the heat deflector, and you're going to use these three little stands to put all of this together. You're just going to snap the parts together. Right here I have the three little leg posts that attaches to the bottom ring that sits on top of your Solo stove. The final step, you just pop on the heat deflector top onto the leg posts. Put the heat deflector on top of your Solo stove and you are done. It's that simple. I'll be using this heat deflector on top of my Solo Stove Mesa, mostly on our front porch. Get your fire started on your Solo stove. Set your heat deflector down on top. Sit back and enjoy. If you decide to purchase one of these, make sure you get the right size. I have the regular Mesa. They also make a Mesa XL, so make sure you get the right size for your Solo Stove Mesa. It was a chilly evening on our porch. My wife and I sat on both chairs beside the Solo stove, and it threw out heat to both of us. So I'm going to say 3 to 4 feet each side you're going to feel heat from this heat deflector. Now keep in mind the Solo Stove Mesa is small, so I was really impressed with the amount of heat that this deflector threw out. I am very happy with my purchase of this heat deflector. I think you'll like it as well. So if you're watching this video, I hope you found it helpful.